What's up, everybody? Brett here, Utira Motorsports. Thanks for checking back in. I'm just getting home from work, so looks like everybody else is already here in the garage working. So let's see if we can go put this motor, get this motor put in. You got that hidden one in there behind it. It's a little late now to ask, but it's a lot better than way later.
That's why that come out of there. There's that bolt in there.
Yeah, I wasn't quite sure what you were doing.
I was just grabbing it out of the corner before it was.
He parked down by the concession stand, and there was a quote on that.
It was all set up. You know, it was street legal.
Well, there it is. Motor's in the hole. I'm not sure how good of footage we got of that last night. Had some camera issues, so we're back here for day 2. Let's see what we can get accomplished.
The dropsies are continuing. And for probably a week. Pulley and steering pump.
The power steering pump.
The belt.
Assume that's it. Parts, and more parts. I don't care if you buy used or new. If you got a race car, you're buying parts throughout the year, and we got plenty of them sitting here.
Dominated driving heat number 2.
Yeah, Jimmy Owensville's comfy. Hell, he did last year. Obviously, dominated a lot of 2020. As Jimmy told me earlier, he's going to get that feel for it again.
Oh yeah, it smells like race fuel.
T.R. Smith in 89. Conrad tonight, Ruben, is one of those interesting ones. We don't do this type of format very
All right, fast forward a little bit. There you can see it. Power plant's in the car. It was a pretty busy week last week, so I apologize we didn't get to do much videoing, but you did get to see it at least go in and get to see it fire. So we did end up missing practice last week. We were trying to scale the car, and we had some issues with the drive shaft hitting the frame and just some silly stuff. Fuel leak, didn't have the had fuel leaking out of the fuel pump, and just different things that happen when you rush, and we rushed and we didn't make it in time. So we didn't end up going to practice Saturday at Latrobe. Right now it's Monday. I got tire tools out, got tires laying here, got some already done, got another wheel to mount to. I'm gonna do a little tire work, so I'll put you guys up here, let you watch, and check back in with you here when we're done. there you have it. One tire mounted. Thing kicked my behind tonight. Holy cow. It was a struggle. Anyways, I'm done for the night. He's got a couple tires here, got another one still to do, but that's enough for me. I'm going inside. It's a school or work night, school night, whatever. I need to go to bed. So I hope you guys liked seeing the new car run. Got to see a little bit of the install, and it's almost time to go racing. So we'll see you guys at the track soon. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel. We'll talk to you later.